I'm asked daily, why does it matter if we live on a flat earth or a spinning ball? Now understand, a flat earth with a dome, a firmament, is biblical. I try to explain this even to Christians that go to church and don't understand what's taking place with the deception. When the Bible states that Satan has deceived the world, they do not grasp it. They don't think it's literal. It's very literal. Take a look here at the very beginning of the Bible, Genesis, where it states there is a firmament above us. It talks about in Job how it's a molten looking glass. Also in Psalms, how it states he set the earth on its foundations so that it should never be moved. So science says we're moving, we're spinning at 1,100 miles at the equator, and the Bible states the exact opposite. So again, understand the whole deception behind the so-called ball earth. All about pushing evolution, the Big Bang, other world, other planets, supposed planets when none exist, and other alien life forms. And that's what it's all about. I'm just taking a look at all these images and just take a look at how they're all inconsistent. Take a look at 2012 and the size of the United States compared to 2002, 2007, 1997. These don't add up. This is just a form of mockery. These are all composites, and NASA does not deny that. These are not actual images. So understand, again, it's all about pushing evolution, other worlds, alien life forms, when they do not exist. We live on a flat, immovable earth with a firmament or a dome above us. This is 100% biblical, and if your churches don't tell you, they are knowingly or unknowingly deceiving you, like it states in the Bible, deceiving and being deceived.
In the beginning, God created the heaven and the earth. And the earth was without form and void, and darkness was upon the face of the deep. And the Spirit of God moved upon the face of the waters. And God said, "Let there be light." And there was light. And God saw the light that it was good. And God divided the light from the darkness. And God called the light day, and the darkness he called night. And the evening and the morning were the first day. And God said, "Let there be a firmament in the midst of the waters, and let it divide the waters from the waters." And God made the firmament, and divided the waters which were under the firmament from the waters which were above the firmament, and it was so. And God called the firmament heaven. And the evening and the morning were the second day. And God said, "Let the waters under the heaven be gathered together unto one place, and let the dry land appear." And it was so. And God called the dry land earth, the gathering together of the waters called he seas. And God saw that it was good. And God said, "Let there be lights in the firmament of the heaven to divide the day from the night, and let them be for signs and for seasons and for days and years, and let them be for lights in the firmament of the heaven to give light upon the earth." And it was so. And God made two great lights, the greater light to rule the day, and the lesser light to rule the night. He made the stars also. And God set them in the firmament of the heaven to give light upon the earth, and to rule over the day and over the night, and to divide the light from the darkness. And God saw that it was good. And the evening and the morning were the fourth day. And God said, "Let there be lights in the firmament of the heavens, in the firmament of the heavens, in the firmament of the heavens, in the firmament of the heavens." Then spake Joshua to the Lord in the day when the Lord delivered up the Amorites before the children of Israel. And he said in the sight of Israel, Sun, stand thou still upon Gibeon, and thou moon in the valley of Ajalon. And the sun stood still, and the moon stayed, until the people had avenged themselves upon their enemies. Is not this written in the book of Jasher? So the sun stood still in the midst of heaven, and hasted not to go down about a whole day. Fear before him all the earth. The world also shall be stable, that it be not moved. The Lord reigneth, he is clothed with majesty. The Lord is clothed with strength, wherewith he hath girded himself. The world also is established, that it cannot be moved. Say among the heathen that the Lord reigneth. The world also shall be established, that it shall not be moved. He shall judge the people righteously. It is he that sitteth upon the circle of the earth, and the inhabitants thereof are as grasshoppers, that stretcheth out the heavens as a curtain, and spreadeth them out as a tent to dwell in. It is he that sitteth upon the circle of the earth, and the inhabitants thereof are as grasshoppers, that stretcheth out the heavens as a curtain, and spreadeth them out as a tent to dwell in. For he looketh to the ends of the earth, and seeth under the whole heaven.
This is a group of social criminals, these people in the space program. Nassholes, I call them.
Space, the final frontier.
Space may be the final frontier, but it's made in a Hollywood basement.
Fascinating, fascinating, fascinating.
Astronauts to the moon.
The Force can have a strong influence on the weak-minded.
Conspiracy theorists.
They've been crazy, but now they're right.